Alright, what's going on, guys? It is October 28th, 2021. We're doing a one box random team break of 2021 Leaf autographed full-size football helmet. The box is really big. It's right in front. It's right here. Every single box contains one signed helmet. We're going to roll the dice for the random and pair everyone up. We only re-roll if we get snake eyes and if there's multiple. Never mind. But too used to card breaks. Randomly lists. Alright. So here's for the dice roll. 5 and 5, so 10 times we're gonna randomize the list. Take you guys over here. So here's everyone that is currently in the break. We got Pat, Mike, Pat L, Mike Z, Mark T, Pat L, Sammy M, Mike Z, Stephen P, Pat, Mike Z, Stephen P, Mark T, Pat L, Mike Z, Mark T, Pat L, Mike Z, Pat L, Mark T, Mike Z, Pat L, Mark T, Mike Z, Pat, Mark, Mike, Mark, Pat, Mark, and Pat. So we're going to take the names, randomize them first. Like I said, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th and final time. Okay, we got Mike on top and Pat on bottom. And then we're going to randomize the team 10 times. Cardinals on top, football team on bottom 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th and final time. Good luck. Let me take this off real quick. All right, Seahawks on top, Cowboys on bottom. 10 times. All right. Make this smaller. So we got Pat with the Chargers, Patriots, Eagles, Cowboys, Jaguars, Ravens, Titans, Buccaneers, Bears, 49ers, Jets, football team, Dolphins. I believe that's it. And then we got Mike with the Vikings, Packers, Cardinals, Seahawks, Saints, Raiders, Browns, and Bengals. Steven with the Broncos and Bills. And then we got Mark with the Chiefs, uh, Texans, Falcons, Colts, Rams, Giants, Steelers, Lions. That should be it. And then we got also Sammy with the Panthers. I'm going to try my best to make this look good, but I'm going to put the teams on the screen so you guys can see who has what and remember it. Just give me 1 second. All right. Good luck, everyone. Here's the helmet. You're going to see on the side camera here, too. All right. Cutting the seal. Move it so that way you guys can see it right away. Dude, this thing is legit stuck. Nah. Holy cow. All right. You know what? Howie Long. I'm going to take it off just for a second. All right. There we go. Carl just said, might get into a fight with the Leaf box. All right, so who is the Raiders? There's the helmet. There's their certificate. Howie Long. That's a nice one. So that's gonna be Mike Z. There's the autograph for it. Took a little bit longer than I wanted, but appreciate everyone who did join. Congrats. And hope you guys have a good one.